Welcome to WORLDCHEFS Academy. You have made a great choice to enroll in the Pre-Commis Chef program. It will help prepare you for a career in a professional kitchen. And if you are passionate about food, as I am, then you are in the right place. As a chef or cook, you will not only earn a living in the kitchen, you will also have the opportunity to join a global network of chefs and cooks from all around the world, and you will learn and earn the power of the white jacket. Once you start, you will have 6 months to complete all the modules in the program. After completing the Pre-Commis Chef program with the WORLDCHEFS Academy, you can then start working towards becoming a commis chef through the WORLDCHEFS accreditation program. WORLDCHEFS will then continue to guide you in your certification process until you become an executive chef or even a master chef. So make the commitment, dedicate yourself, and take your first step towards becoming a chef. WORLDCHEFS Academy is here to help you get started. All the best!